Hi guys, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel guys. Today is a very special video क्योंकि मैं आज ये मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ. बहुत ही इजी है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, एकदम लास्ट मिनट वाला है, जिसके लिए आपको कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ही चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. एंड ये लाइक इस टाइम पीरियड पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि हम लोग इस टाइम पे बाहर नहीं जा रहे, तो घर पे थोड़ा सिंपल सा फिर भी थोड़ा ग्लैम अप लगने वाला लुक है ये. एंड दिस इज़ पर्सनली माई फेवरेट क्योंकि मैंने ये तरह की आइज़ बहुत दिन बाद किया है, क्योंकि मैं तो वो विंग वाला एंड मस्कारा वाला लॉट्स ऑफ मस्कारा वाला लुक ही बनाती हूँ. सो आई लव दिस. एंड मैंने अभी तक ये लुक कैसा बना है पूरे दिन से देखा नहीं है, तो शो हमने देखा है क्योंकि वो बैक कैमरे में है और उनको ये लुक पसंद आया है. आई डोंट नो मैं कैसे दिख रही हूँ. एंड ये वीडियो और भी स्पेशल है क्योंकि इस बार राखी में मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, मैं बाहर हूँ, मैं घर भी नहीं जा पाई. एंड इस बार राखी में मैं अपने भैया को मिस करूँगी. सो आप लोग एंजॉय कीजिए राखी एंड इजी पीजी मेकअप लुक क्रिएट कीजिए. अगर आप ये लुक क्रिएट करते हो देन प्लीज़ डू टैग मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. एंड इंट्रो को ज़्यादा लॉन्ग ना करते हुए चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars are burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars, but I always fear the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars are burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and if it is, then please give this video a like and share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel and subscribe our second channel, which is Oreo, and where we guys make some couple things video vlogs. And please suggest if you guys have anything in your mind, and yeah, there is a giveaway going on my channel, which is a giveaway from Sugar Cosmetics, but that giveaway is not sponsored by Sugar. That is sponsored by us, me and Shoham. There are a few rules, so you have to follow this channel, and you have to follow our another channel, which is Oreo, and you have to guys follow on our Instagram, which is Tanya and Hami. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and you have to, and you guys can share your video with your friends, families, relatives. And yeah, I think I have covered everything, so that's all about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe, take care, love you, bye.